All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create content for Facebook using Traffic Maestro and how you can do the same. Now, if you're like me, I really don't like posting on Facebook. I never have been a big Facebook person, but since I've started using Traffic Maestro, I have been consistently posting content on Facebook using this tool right here because it makes it easier for me to create content. It makes it easy for me to get posts made that I can actually post on Facebook. So I'm going to walk you step by step through the process on how to do it, how to get the post done in Traffic Maestro, how to take it over into the HBA tool premium section and get an image made for you as well, and then how you can just go ahead on and post it on Facebook and get things done. Now you can do this every day, okay? You know, if you want to come up with content, and you can also use this tool to create YouTube shorts, YouTube long form video, and Facebook reels. But right now we're just going to focus on the Facebook post. So I'm going to show you how I do that right now. So inside of Traffic Maestro, I come down here to where it says Facebook post, and I'm going to click on it. Okay, and then this is the post Alchemist. Okay, they saved the draft that's already in here for me. So, but what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to discard and start over. Okay, and I'm going to do what are you most excited about in life or business right now. You can do any of these down through here that you want. I already have something typed out I'm going to paste in here. So I'm going to click on this, and you're going to type in here what you want. So I already have it. So let me grab it over here. What I'm going to put in there, I'm just going to copy this. Okay. And let me see, copy. I'm going to paste it in here. Paste it, and then I'm going to click the next. Now you have the Alchemist guide down here that you can tap on as well. It's going to walk you through the process and tell you how you should do this the correct way. Okay, so we're going to click next. Okay, we want a couple of more details of what's the one thing you want your reader should take away. I have that written over here as well. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste that in here. And then any specific number, results, or details. All of these two things are optional, okay? But I'm just going to put something in there as well because I have something to go in there. And then I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to click write my post. And then it's going to go in and just write my post. This means I don't have to type because I cannot type all that well, and you know, I'm decent, but I do make a lot of mistakes, you know, with spelling and things like that. This just makes it that much more simpler where I don't have to worry about any of those types of things. So if you come down here, this is the post right here. It says your post. Now, what you want to be sure before you post this, is it true? Check the facts, claim and number, and is it you? Make it sound like your voice and not AI. And this what this does for you. Okay, and then you can read this right here. You're able to go down through here and read this. Okay, and it's going to tell you everything, you know, everything that the information that you gave it is going to put it in here. The one thing that used to eat up more of my time than anything else in my business wasn't selling, it was learning. And that is true. Okay, it was creating content, and it wasn't even learning, it was creating content. And this is true especially for me when it comes to Facebook posting. Okay, sometimes I will go in Facebook and just get caught up with strolling sometime, which I try not to do, but I want to go in there and do a few things that I have to do that's going to move my business forward, not things that are going to hinder my time. So it does this right here, and you can read through that. It actually gives you the post. Okay, so what I want to do is now I want to alchemize it for direct response, and we're going to read through this, so you're going to have to stick with me and things. So it's going to go through there now. It's alchemizing. What it's doing is for direct response. Is to touch people, get people excited, touch people's nerves, keep them reading their content, and going to give them a call to action. Okay, it says, now here's my post. Okay, you see this right here? I can post this. There's a difference. But the Alchemize for direct response, if I come back over here, it says most people think the hardest part of affiliate marketing is selling. It is not. It is the content. Stay with me here. Okay, and you can change this out right here. Picture this. It's 11 p.m. You're sitting at your kitchen table, 3 tabs open, one for email, one for social caption, one for headlines you haven't written yet. You've been staring at a blank screen for 47 minutes. 11 p.m. is when I used to come in at 11 o'clock at night from working 2 jobs. Tomorrow's post still doesn't exist. Sound familiar? That was my life for longer than I can admit. I was bouncing between 2 or 3, 4 different AI tools just to piece together 1 week's worth of content. That was true because I was using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and some other image tools and things like that. So to get one worth of content, copy from this app, paste it to that one, rewrite another. All of that is true. It's like building a puzzle with different boxes. Okay, so all of this is true. But what nobody tells you when you're new to this game, they talk about traffic and funnels and commission, but they skip the part where content creation eats up 6 to 8 hours of your week, and probably more than that if you're brand new. That's 32 hours a month. Hours I wasn't spending with my wife, my 3 daughters, people that I started this whole thing for in the first place. Okay, then something shifted. The Home Business Academy built their own content tool, everything in one place: email, posts, ideas, all of it. What used to take me an entire evening to now takes about 30 minutes, and it doesn't sound like a robot wrote it. It sounds like me. What I have noticed, and it just goes on and on and on. Okay, and it gives you that right there. So now what I can do, I have 2 choices here. Okay, I can edit this if I want to, and I'm not going to, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually copy this post here, and then I'm going to come over to the Home Business Academy because I want an image to go with this post. Okay, so I'm going to come over to the Home Business Academy, come to the premium tools. You have to be a premium member to use this. I'm going to come to the premium tool, and I'm going to come to image generator. Okay, and now I'm going to pause the video, but I'm going to use the prompt AI assistant, and I'm going to write something in here that I actually prompt that I want them to use. I wish I had a prompt already written, but I don't. So I'm going to actually do one. One of the things that you can do is actually upload an image that you want to use. So I'm going to come here and let me look at my desktop, and I'm going to choose this image right here. Let me move out of the way. I'm going to open it up. Okay. Now that image is there. So I'm going to type my post, and I'll be right back. All right, I've written my prompt. I said I need an image prompt for a Facebook post that I've written. Use the image. I misspelled that. Let me get that correct. I told you I can't type. Use an image I gave you as a reference image, and use my features. Change my cap and t-shirt color to match the post. Okay. If I go on down, if you have any questions, please ask. And I'm going to put here's the post. Then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to Control V and paste that in there. And then I'm going to click this little arrow right here, and now it's thinking, and what it's going to do is going to go through the post that I actually wrote over here, or that Traffic Maestro wrote for me, and that's going to take that, and it's going to actually come up with a prompt for me. And I'm going to go back up through here because it may ask me some questions. It says, great post, Richard, really powerful, authentic. Before I craft the post, I have a couple of questions, and that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to ask me questions. The color choice for the cap and t-shirt, your post theme, late night struggle, turning freedom, relief, fired up energy, and in. I'm thinking a few directions could work: deep navy blue or charcoal cap and tee, professional, trustworthy, pairs well, black cap and tee, bold, confident, I've been through it, energy, dark and maroon ties into that, fire emojis. I'm going to do I'm going to type 1, and I'm going to put black. Okay, then I'm going to type 2 because it has another question rather. it see two strong options to align with the post. I can choose option A, you're sitting comfortable in a clean, well lit home office, living room, relaxed, confident, smiling, representing after, okay? Or B, split concept, you're looking confident and relieved, maybe with a laptop nearby showing you got it handled, warm, ambient, suggesting evening, peaceful and stressful. Which vibe? So which vibe? I'm going to choose A. Then we're going to see number 3. Okay, in the text image, would you like text overlay on the image like a hook such as it's not the selling, it's the content, or would you prefer clean image? I'm just going to say clean. Okay, I just want a clean image, and then I'm going to come over here. Let me scroll down, make sure everything. I'm going to do that right there, and I'm going to click. Boom. And now it's thinking again. And while it's thinking, remember what I did. I came over here and I created everything right here inside of Traffic Maestro, okay, the post Alchemist, okay? So it's thinking. Now it has given me the prompt. I can read through the prompt, want to make sure that the 1:1 ratio is right there. Everything looks good. I'm going to apply it to the generator. And what it does, it actually puts the prompt down here, and you can actually edit the prompt right here within the system itself. Okay, so if you want to change anything, you can do that. Come down here, make sure you choose the same image that you used up here. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and if you want to avoid anything, you can avoid it right there. Make sure it's 1:1 ratio, photorealistic. You can change it if you want to, but I'm just going with what the prompt gave me. And you use credits here. You can see I've already used 3 of my credits, but I have some purchase credits down here that I have as well. And then I'm going to say edit the image. Now it's doing what it does, and it's going to put the image over here. And if I don't like the image, I can regenerate it, but it's going to use another credit as well. So giving it time to do what it do for is creating an image, and there it is. That's the image. I like it. Done through with it. I'm going to download it. Okay, and I'm going to say FB1 just for that. Going to save it to my desktop. And I'm going to move out of the way again, and I'm going to click save, move back over there again. Now the image is saved. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the Alchemist one more time, make sure I have everything copied. Okay, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over to Facebook, come over to my profile, going to click right here. I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to come down here, pop it. Going to choose that image. I'm going to move again. Going to click open. Okay. Okay, the image is in there. Everything's in there. Okay. So then you can read the post. Now what I like to do is kind of come in here and spread everything out. I'm going to pause the video while I do that. All right, so I formatted the post and everything. Got it looking somewhat like I wanted. Maybe I skipped a couple of them here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do this one right here as well. Okay, so I got it formatted like I want it, and a lot of people put dots in between to give it more space, but I'm not going to worry about that. And so what I'm going to do, because I'm going to right here, I said peep out the first link, the first comment to get access now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click next. But I'm going to change the post audience, and I'm going to choose only me for now. Okay. And then I'm going to go post it and let it do what it do. Now the post is made, and what I want to do is actually put a comment down here. And so what I'm going to say, I'm going to type up something. Hold up. All right, so what I've done, I've actually put a comment down here that's going to stay down here. Say, if you're sick and tired of trying to come up with compelling content to post on the book, tap this link to get your Facebook content creation tool that creates content that sounds like you. And then I put my link, and also put a tag here so I know where this come from. I'm actually tracking this so I know where, if someone signs up and get the tool, I'll know where it comes from. So I'm going to simply do that right there. Hit the arrow and post it. And what it's going to do is going to put an image down here at the bottom. So what I'm actually going to do is remove the preview. Okay, so it's posted. I'm going to like the post, okay, myself. Then I'm going to come back up to these three dots right here, and I'm going to look at the post, make sure everything's pretty much like I want it. Okay, it's done. I'm going to come over here, going to edit the audience. I'm going to make it public. I'm going to save it. And now it is public, it is live. So it's just that simple. Traffic Maestro does it all for you. It creates the content for you. It gets things done for you. And if you want to create long form videos, short form videos for reels and things like that, or write an email, or even have done for you images, you can get access to all of that when you click the link that's in the description below. So go ahead on right now. If you see value in this tool and you see how it can help you create content without you staring at a screen or you not knowing what to write, you can go ahead on and get access to this tool right now to get going in the right direction. This tool is going to save you time and save you money from using all of the different AI tools that are out there. So with that being said, click the link in the description. I hope you got value from this video. Go ahead, like and subscribe to this channel. Leave me a comment if you haven't. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.